to my channel. Okay, we are asked to solve 3 whole number 1 over 4 plus 29 over 2x equals 0. Number one is that once you're asked to solve anything, it means they want you to get the solution of the variable here. Okay, now the solution of the unknown here, which is your x, is what you are looking for. But this is what in a fraction, and for you to get this, you're supposed to clear your fractions and give it a linear fraction. Let's do that. For you to clear this fraction, you need to, first of all, let's change this to what? We are going to change this to improper fraction. Now this is it, solution. So we are going to change this particular one to what? Improper fraction, so that it will look like this. So 4 times 3 is going to give us what? 4 times 3 will give us 12. 12 plus 1 is what? 13. So we are going to have 13 over 4 times what? 29 over 2x is equal to 0. Okay? Now, we are going to look for the LCM of the denominator and multiply the whole thing, each term with it, for you to clear the denominator. So what I mean here, the LCM of 4 and 2x is 4x. For the benefit of those that will find it difficult to get the LCM, this is how it is done. You have 4, you have 2x. You draw your line. You divide with whatever you feel can divide any of them. If I look at this, I know that 2 can divide any of them, so I'll go with 2. 2 divide 4, we are going to have what? 2. Okay, 2 divided 2, you are going to have 1, remaining x, right? Then you are going in with 2 again. 2 divides this 2, you are going to have 1. 2 cannot divide x, so you bring down your x. Okay, now x will go. X will bring down 1. X divide x, you are going to have 1. So once you have 1 here, you now multiply whatever you had by your left hand side. 2 times 3 is 4. 4 times x is 4x. So it means that the LCM of 4 and 2x is what? 4x. Now we are going to multiply each term by what? The LCM, which is what? 4x. So we are going to say multiply each term. Multiply each term by what? The LCM, which is what? 4x. Now we are going to do that. So we are going to have 13 over 4. 13 over 4 times 4x. Okay? Plus, sorry, this is not multiplication here. Plus, okay? Plus, you open your brackets, 29 all over 2x times 4x is equal to 0. Okay? Now what do? We go ahead and solve this. 4 will divide itself 1. Divide here. You are going to have what? Only x remaining. The same thing here. 2x divide itself 1. If 2x should divide 4x, you are going to have only 2. Because it's when 2 times 2, when you multiply 2 by 2x, that you are going to get what? 4x. So if you look at this particular, what is it called? Bracket. What you have there is just 13 and x, right? That is 13 times x. Plus, now what you have here is 29 and 2. 29 times 2 is equal to 0. Now 13 times x will give us 13x, plus 29 times 2 will give us 2 times 9 is 18, carry 1, 2 times 1 2. Okay, it's going to give us 58 is equal to 0. If you have watched this to this level, it means that you find what I'm doing interesting. For you to see more of this, okay, you need to subscribe to this channel. Click on that subscription button and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new videos. All right, thank you very much. Now what are we going to do? We are going to finish this solution now. We are going to collect like terms. I want this 13x to be on its own and this 58 to be on its own. So I'm going to have that 13x is equal to this plus 58. We cross this equation sign to become minus what? 58. And 0 minus 58 is still minus 58. So it's going to be equal to minus what? 58. Now I want only x, only 13 to remain. Okay, and the only way that is going to happen is if I'm going to divide this side by 13, so that when this cancel this, I'm left with x. So whatever I do to the left hand side, I also do it to the right hand side. So I'm dividing both sides by what? 13. So 13 will cancel 13. You are left with x is equal to 31 minus 58 divided by 13 is going to give us minus 58 over 13. Or if we change this to what? A mixed fraction, we are going to have minus 4 whole number 6 over 13. And that is your final answer. Do have a lovely day and bye.